So I have my 4 cups of warm distilled water that I'm going to add to my blender. And then my purple cabbage leaves are gonna go in here and I'm gonna blend. No. I'm gonna pulse it. So I'm gonna pulse my mixture. Okay, so now I'm gonna strain my mixture into my glass to get all the chunks out. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be testing the pH of is milk. Hold on, let me. There we go. Okay, so I have all of my cups of cabbage water strained and organized. So I'm going to add a small amount of milk and see how that changes the pH using Bogan's indicator. The pH right now is pretty dark. So I would say on a scale that this would be a 10. I'm gonna add my milk. And that looks like it's at a pH of about 9 with the milk added. Now I'm going to be testing the baking soda. Again, all of these just cabbage waters are a pH of 10. So I'm gonna add baking soda and swirl it, and that changed it to a pretty dark blue. Hold up against the white. Very dark navy color. All right, now I'm going to be testing tap water. I'm gonna add. And it did lighten it slightly. If I could hold it up to the light, you could see it's more of a blue navy color, just a little bit lighter than the baking soda. Okay, now I'm going to be testing the antacid in solution. And immediately you can see that that lightened significantly to a pinkish red, which is interesting since it's supposed to be neutralizing. Yeah. Wait for it to dissolve. But it did significantly lighten and go more to a reddish pink color. Now I'm going to be testing white distilled vinegar. I'm gonna add. And you can see immediately that that went more to the acidic. I would say that that's around a 4. pH of 4 when the vinegar was added to the solution. And now I'm going to test lemon juice. I've got bottled lemon juice here. Ollie, that's not for you, okay? If I could get it open. There we go. Excuse me. Okay, so now I'm going to add a couple of shots of lemon juice and see how that affects it. And again, that went straight to the acidic, kind of around the 4 region, maybe even a 3. And now I'm going to test cleaning solutions. For my first cleaning solution, I have window cleaner. I'm gonna dump a little bit in here. And that went a very dark turquoisey color, greenish, which is more in the neutral, which is surprising. And then my second cleaning solution that I'm going to test is dish soap. And that didn't really, it just made it go a little darker. I don't know if you can see. It's a darker, kind of greenish blue, like the window cleaner actually. Now I'm going to test mouthwash in my cabbage water. I'll just add a little bit. And that brought it down to what looks like about a 9 on the pH scale. Slightly lighter, but not really a drastic change. Okay, so now I'm going to test cold medicine in my cabbage water. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Kind of swirl it. And that is immediately changing to the more acidic side of the scale. So I've got my milk. Let me turn it so you can see everything. I've got my milk, my baking soda, tap water, antacid, vinegar, lemon juice in this row. And now I'm going to show you a comparison of the last couple, which are lemon juice, Windex, dish soap, and cough medicine. So you can kind of see the whole string.